Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling this mess that is my spice cabinet because my current situation is not working. The spices keep falling over because of the spice rack that I have right now. As you can see, it's just not working for the size of my jars. The jars are too small and the spaces between the little lines under the spice cabinets are just too wide, so they keep falling over and it's just very messy. Also, it looks messy because all the jars are different, and as you can see here, I'm trying to show you how they keep falling over, and I'm just gonna fix all of this and make it look a lot nicer. I also have to transfer all of the spices here in the back and, you know, have it look halfway decent. So if you're new here, then welcome to my channel. I make YouTube videos about organization, home decor, lifestyle, anything that has to do with us living together in a new home and putting it together and making it, you know, our own. So I hope you subscribe to my channel and I hope you enjoyed the content, and please leave comments below. I love talking to you guys, and like this video if you enjoyed it as well. So let's get to it. Today's video is also in collaboration with bextsrack. They kindly sent me this spice rack so that I can update my spice cabinet, and I'm gonna be linking this product down below if you are interested, and also their storefront because they have so many awesome things for your kitchen, organization for your room, closet, office, anything that you might need. So as soon as I opened the box, I loved how sturdy it was because it's metal. It comes in a set of 2 because it's expandable. You can either use them on its own or you can use them together. For me, they fit perfectly, one in my spice cabinet and the other one I used it for my medicine cabinet, and they were just amazing. My favorite part is the front right here because my spices kept falling over like I showed you before, and this will prevent that, and that's the main reason why I was like, oh my god, yes, I need this so bad, and I'm very happy. I also bought new jars for my cabinet so that everything could look cohesive and not just like a hot mess, and it came not only with the jars but also the labels. They're not that cool, so I thought maybe I should order some labels to make them look prettier, and I ordered these off of Amazon from Talented Kitchen. They have such a minimal look and they are water resistant, so I know they're gonna last for a long time, and the jars fit perfectly on the spice rack. Look how cute this looks. I'm so excited to put everything together. So before I transfer all of my spices, I'm going to rinse all the jars and set them out to dry. I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you want to be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. While those are drying, I am going to wipe down and disinfect the cabinet because I haven't cleaned this in a hot minute. So I'm gonna clean this and set them to dry and check out the labels and organize them before I go and label all my jars. Okay, here's a closer look at the labels. They came in alphabetical order, and they have so many spices and names and herbs that I don't think I'm gonna use all of these, but in case I need them, I have them. I also really liked that just in case you have like a special spice that only you and your country have, they have these little numbered labels in the end, and you can use them for whatever spice you decide to use it for.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you on my mind. Come a little closer. closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back.
So the spice jars came with this little funnel, and it worked great with my pepper because it was granulated, and it didn't stick and it didn't clog that much. As you can see, I had to shake it a little bit, but for like my Cajun seasoning, this just kept clogging on the bottom, so I had to switch to a bigger one. So keep that in mind if you're going to use these.
The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you. Now we don't wanna go back. Blurring all the lines, been going from.
We go through a lot of garlic powder in this house. Which one is the spice or herb that you use a lot in your home? Leave a comment down below.
Your blue eyes on my plans reversing. You know that it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you. I'm just saying, I can't ignore you. I can't ignore. I'm not playing. Might mess up and fall for you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you.
And this is how everything looks together. I really love it. I am thinking of adding these labels on top. They are transparent, so I think they will look nice. I'm gonna put them inside the cabinet and see how I like it, and if I do, then I'm gonna add it. And yeah, this is how they look, and this is inside the cabinet. I'm super happy. The font is really big, so everything is very noticeable. You can read the what the contents of the jars are, so my husband will find them really quickly. I also love the rail of the spice rack. It will prevent from having a mess and everything falling over. So yeah, I'm really happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, you got inspired, and you like this content. I will be linking them down below. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye!